A factory reset on your Tesla restores it to its original state, wiping personal data like driver profiles, saved Wi-Fi networks, navigation history, media playlists, and custom settings such as seat positions, climate preferences, and autopilot customizations. It's like resetting a smartphone, but for your car. Note that it does not erase Tesla account-linked data, such as service history or supercharger access, unless you manually unlink them. The primary reasons to factory reset your Tesla are privacy protection and preparing the vehicle for resale or transfer of ownership. Resetting removes all personal information, such as driver profiles, saved settings, and navigation history, ensuring your data stays private. It ensures the vehicle is in a clean state before a new owner takes possession, preventing any personal data from being accessible. With increasing fears of data misuse, especially for AI training with vehicle data, more owners are resetting to protect their privacy. Resetting reverts the vehicle to its original clean state, which can fix various software issues and restore proper functionality. Before starting the factory reset, ensure your Tesla is in park mode to prevent any accidental movement during the process. Make sure all doors are unlocked, allowing easy access and avoiding any lock-related issues. Ensure all occupants are aware of the reset to keep everyone informed and safe. Back up any essential data through the Tesla app to save profiles, settings, and media. Charge the battery to at least 50% to ensure the reset process completes without interruptions. Disconnect from mobile apps to prevent any accidental data syncing during the reset. Start by accessing your Tesla's touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, then Service, and select Factory Reset. After selecting Factory Reset, you'll need to verify by entering your Tesla account password or PIN. Once verified, select the Reset option and confirm to proceed. The Tesla will then reboot automatically. This process takes 10 to 20 minutes, so do not interrupt it by turning off the vehicle or disconnecting power. Tesla's post-2024 software updates include a more thorough data wipe, addressing privacy regulations like CCPA and GDPR. This addresses privacy regulations like CCPA and GDPR. This includes Bluetooth pairings, navigation history, and app data from integrated services like Spotify and Netflix. Keep in mind that vehicle-specific data like VIN or manufacturer settings isn't affected unless Tesla's service performs the reset. The software reset may not fully erase data if the vehicle has been jailbroken or modified with third-party software. For complete security, especially before resale, consider a full diagnostic reset at a Tesla service center. While Tesla uses AES 256 encryption, forensic tools could potentially recover fragments of data if not properly erased. Tesla introduced a remote reset feature in 2024 for vehicles connected to Wi-Fi. This allows owners to initiate a factory reset through the Tesla app without needing physical access to the vehicle. This feature adds significant convenience, especially for owners managing multiple vehicles or those unable to access their Tesla in person. However, for safety reasons, the vehicle must still be in park mode and disconnected from mobile apps to prevent any accidental data syncing or operations during the reset process. Looking ahead, Tesla plans adaptive resets via OTA, allowing granular control over what data is wiped. Future resets might include AI model retraining to erase personalized behaviors in self-driving systems. Expect stricter regulations mandating data portability, enabling users to export and delete data before resetting. Cybersecurity improvements and more user-friendly interfaces guided by AI assistants are also anticipated.